Hello to my dear brothers and sisters in Christ. I just want to share this to you. Proverbs 17 verse 22, it says, "A joyful heart is a good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones." Meaning, having a joyful heart in a positive attitude is naa-joy effect sa ato ang mga kinabuhi, both emotionally, even man physically. Like medicines, di ba? It helps the body to recover. On the other hand, when our spirit is puno og mga worries, puno og mga kasubo, is makaluya jud siya. Makadrain jud siya, di ba? That's why, to those people nga nag-struggle karon, always remember na it's okay not to feel happy all the time. Kaya nga to ang mga kinabuhi, moagi man jud ni siya og mga challenges, mga kalisod sa kinabuhi, and God understands our pain. But try to find moments of gratitude or things nga maka-encourage sa imuha. And that simple acts can slowly restore you in that sadness. Problema lang yan, kaya pagdaanan mo lang.